Hello. Today I am going to give a speech on the topic of World Environment Day. Firstly, I am Ganesh Sharma, junior teacher from Bomkagir Mission School, Doimuk, Arunachal Pradesh, India. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June for encouraging worldwide awareness and action to protect our environment. Since 1974, World Environment Day has been celebrated every year on this day, engaging government, NGOs, businesses, and citizens in an effort to address pressing environmental issues. Basically, the motto to celebrate this day is to minimize the pollution, ultimately deforestation, carbon emission, and promote afforestation in each and every corner of the world. To balance the ecosystem, it is important to protect the species of the world, as we know that these are going to be extinct from the earth. World Environment Day is one such initiative towards protecting the environment and celebrated across the globe. Every World Environment Day has a different theme and slogan. Some of the topics include water conservation, prevention of global warming, and biodiversity conservation. The theme of this year is biodiversity with the hashtag Fortuner. The idea is affecting biodiversity and as well as human population. These include bushfire in Brazil, Australia, and the USA, the dangerous locust infestations in East Africa, which is said to be one of the worst outbreaks to occur in a long time, and the deadly pandemic COVID-19 affecting millions of people. Our India is also affected by COVID-19 pandemic very largely due to unawareness or neglecting the SOPs directed by the government of India. We all have to appreciate the government policies to overcome such kind of pandemic or disasters. It is not only to protect our home, but also to protect the homes of many living species on earth. It helps to promote sustainable development, to ensure that future generations have resources and a clean environment. Having such a pandemic, COVID-19, we have to bond through a slogan that is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, with the people of the world. Thank you. Thank you all.